You guys ever wonder how messed up it is that Santa doesn't share any of that milk and cookies with the reindeer? Like, are they just starving while they haul ass out there?
What? Santa's not even real, man. You know who is? Animal control, man. They just want to control us. Why do you think it's called animal control?
Santa's not real? You're not real, man.
Guys, why did Donna break up with me? Is it because I'm too clingy? I'm not clingy, right? Like they're just starving out there, man.
Slothman, I've seen you cling onto a tree for about 6 months, so yeah, I'd say you're clingy. But I've also seen you take 3 hours to wipe your ass, so.
Aw, man. Wait, you watch me poop? Man, this is great. I want 8 seasons of this.